Everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Video. So in today's video, we're gonna get these beams cut, and I'm gonna install them underneath that 4x6 beam over here underneath this wall, and then I'm gonna get it supported, and then I'll get it once I get one half of the beam done, then I'll pull out this other pillar here and dig it out, and that will fully open up my crawl space from here through a little bit past halfway underneath that existing bathroom over here. So I hope you enjoyed today's content. There'll be some cutting and some digging today. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. As soon as the video's over, go check out some of the other content. Here we go.